The man who was being sought in connection with the attack of a businesswoman in Great River, Hanover, is in custody. The woman was left with severe burns after she was doused with gasoline and set on fire. Her common-law husband was held at the Savannah Lamar Hospital this morning, where he had gone to seek treatment for injuries. TVJ News was informed that he was injured during the May 19 incident. It was reported that the couple had an argument at the woman's shop. The man reportedly left and returned with gasoline, which he threw on the woman and the one-room structure. He then reportedly used a lighter to set the woman and the shop ablaze. Meanwhile, a desperate plea this evening from the family of Nicola Clark, the woman who was left with severe burns after that incident in Hanover. The woman is currently being treated at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James. However, the hospital is without a burn unit. Anthony Logg reports.
The video showing Nicola Clark after she was doused with gasoline and set on fire sparked outrage across the island after the images made rounds on social media. It has been 3 days since she's been in hospital undergoing treatment. The family has been in dialogue with the doctors who've been working around the clock to assist Miss Clark on the road to recovery, but it has been a task. Natalie Feinberg is Nicole's sister.
The doctor's been telling us that we need to get her to a burn unit because Con Original does not have a burn unit, so there's nothing that they can do for her there. They're trying their best, but they do not have the resources. You know, she needs help. If we keep her there, she's going to die.
With anxiety high, uncertainty lingers about the fate of Nicola, who's now clinging on to life in a hospital bed with severe burns all over her body. The man believed to be responsible for the attack is now in custody, and it's hoped justice will be served. Natalie says though distraught, she remains hopeful.
She's badly burned. She's badly burned, but with the help of God and support of the people of Jamaica and all around the world, we're hoping that we can get my sister the help that she needs to save her life.
But before that can be done, the family must first find a facility with a burned unit.
We are looking for financial assistance to get her airlift from Con Original Hospital to the United States. There is a hospital in Miami called Jackson Memorial. We have not yet reached to the doctor, so if anyone has any contact with any hospital in the United States that has a burn unit, we'd really appreciate it because they have to accept Nicole. We can't just get her airlift to a hospital. They have to accept her. Right now, we have the doctor at the Con Original Hospital. He's working with us. So if we get a doctor here, then they can work together.
Her travel documents were destroyed in the fire, but preparations are being made to have that sorted. The family will have to find over $20,000 and put up collateral to have Miss Clark airlifted. To
get the air ambulance to take her here, that's $20,000. They said that we would have to show up like $2 million with the hospital because she does not have insurance and she's not an American resident or citizen who has insurance.
The family is desperately appealing to the public for assistance. A Help Save Nicola GoFundMe page has been established for members of the public to assist. Anthony Logg, TVJ News.